DW still plays that stupid Crazy Bus song over 9,000 times a day, and she watches Crazy Bus the motion picture like every day. I know, I'm going to put her Crazy Bus video cassette in the microwave and then eat it. There's her Crazy Bus video cassette. Yay, DW's Crazy Bus video cassette is melted. Let's eat it. Wow, that tasted really delicious. Now I don't have to think about having to hear that annoying song anymore.
What's the matter, DW?
My Crazy Bus video cassette is gone. I left it on my vanity and it's gone.
Well, it couldn't have gotten up and just walked out the door.
I know, Arthur must have taken it.
Arthur, get over here right now.
Arthur, did you take DW's Crazy Bus videotape?
As a matter of fact, I took her Crazy Bus video cassette, put it in the microwave, and then ate it.
Arthur, how dare you take DW's Crazy Bus video cassette, put it in the microwave, and then eat it. Crazy Bus is her favorite song. That's it.
You're grounded until the second Crazy Bus movie is playing in theaters. First punishment, we're changing you into Dora. Next punishment, you're only allowed to watch Dora the Explorer, Barney, Mary Moo Cow, Oa Bee, Caillou, Dragon Tales, Cyber Chase, Little Bill, and Peppa Pig.
And furthermore, you will be forced to listen to Crazy Bus 1,000,000 times a day. You will also be wearing nappies for the rest of your natural-born life, and we will burn all of your underwear. Go to bed now.
What?